Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Nichole, and Nichole, it has been, I think, 13 months now. Is that correct?
It has, yes.
Happy anniversary. How are you doing?
I'm doing so good, like Dr. Siegel. I'm doing so good. I'm so happy I got this did. I know we got that extra month in because I've been busy, but other than that, it's been amazing.
You look stunning. Tell everybody about your 13-month experience from the minute you walked into this office to actually today.
Okay. So I haven't had hair on my edges, and he's going to show you guys pictures, but I had not had hair on my edges since 1993. And this was something that I had researched with their office for like about 5 or 6 years. And I kind of got the guts to do it mid-November 2020. But it's been amazing. The process is you just have to be patient. And I know everybody says that, but it's just the truth. You just have to be patient. Seriously, guys, you do. If you're thinking about doing it, just do it. Don't, because I have a YouTube where I do videos and I have to update my followers too. Hey, followers, if y'all see this. But you just have to be patient. I just got started getting growth in May, June. Seriously. So I'm only about 6 or 7 months in with getting hair growth. So.
And everybody grows different at different times. So some people see growth at 3 months. Other people will start seeing growth like you 6, 7 months and won't see the final results until 15 to 18 months after the procedure.
And I'm still growing like every day. Like it's just my hair thick now. And so I'm a cosmetologist, right? And this is what I have to let people know, and people don't know about hair. Hair is really a plant. It's just like a plant. So you have to take care of it. Even in the process when you're letting your hair grow, it's just, you have to keep it washed all the time. You have to keep your ends clipped and just take care of it just like you would do a flower. So that's what I learned from this process even more, and having to actually deal with it. You know what I mean?
Of course. So I want everybody to see the results. I'm going to have you put your head down.
Okay.
And show everybody the top. And turn to the left or the right, whichever one's easiest for you.
Okay.
Absolutely stunning. And to the right.
And I got baby hair, y'all. Y'all see this?
Perfect.
Period.
And now you
got
can
edges and sideburns. Like, yo, when they see these, are you going to put the before pictures
Of
in
course
there?
I'm going to put the befores. The entire video will have your before and after pictures.
All right, cool. That'll work. That's
And
fine.
what about your incision site? Tell us a little bit about your incision site.
It's honestly, it's gone. So when at the salon I work in, we do each other hair, and they be so shocked. Like the pictures that you send me, and I show them the pictures, they like, that's a lie. No, your hair was not like that. I'm like, yes, it was. I was just hiding it with dye and comb over, all that type of stuff. But yeah, and hold on. Sorry, my cousin was calling. But they can't even find it, and they do hair. Like seriously, it's so good. I'm so glad I got the FUT procedure. It's just so much better.
You did amazing, and you look amazing. I'm so thankful that you trusted in with me and my team. And I always say it's always myself and the team. I'm only as good as my team, and I love what we do. And seeing your smile and catching up with you is absolutely amazing. And I thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with the world out there, and I want to be part of your Instagram page or your video page.
Yes, you got to. You got to follow. It's my YouTube, but I have an Instagram too. But I don't really talk about my edges on my Instagram.
I will
but
definitely
my YouTube, I do.
I'll go on your YouTube page with you, and you look amazing. And I thank you so much for doing this for us.
No problem. Thank you for doing it for me and my edges.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.